Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Android phone's activation date. Now, I'm going to be transparent with you. I can't say that this works across all devices. I am using the Oppo A54s. So the first thing you want to do is go to your dialing pad and you're going to type in the code that I type in on screen now. And once you type in that code, it's immediately going to show you your IMEI or your IMEI. And all you want to do is long press on that number so that it copies to your clipboard, or you can just write it down. It's all up to you, but you're going to need it a little bit later. Now, the site we're going to is IMEI info, and I'll put the link on the screen for you. So we're going to paste our IMEI in here and say check IMEI. Now it's going to verify. And once the verification is done, you're going to see a whole bunch of information about your phone. And here you can see it's the exact phone that I mentioned earlier. Now you can check the device specs, but I doubt that's what you're interested in. Now what we want to do is scroll all the way down. And here you'll see basic checks and they are free. So what we want to do is check on the Oppo warranty. Now we don't really care about the warranty, but this is going to give us a lot of information about manufacturing dates, the country it was bought in case you're buying perhaps a second-hand phone. So if we scroll down, we can see a ton of information. And there you can see a manufacturing date, even with the time, that's pretty crazy. Registration dates, you can see my warranties expired quite a while ago, and you can even see the purchase country. So this is the best way I know to do this. If you guys know another way, drop it down in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and have a good one.